plan with unlimited talk time.
Ese huevo lo sé.
Bounty Hunter.
Options apply.
A lot of love goes into a Subaru. And thanks to the 2023 Subaru Share the Love event, a lot of love comes out too. In fact, by the end of this year, our 16th year, Subaru and its retailers will have donated over $285 million to charity. Right now, when you purchase or lease a new Subaru, Subaru will donate $250 to charity. Our commitment to supporting those in need has helped Subaru become the largest corporate donor to the ASPCA and the National Parks Foundation, as well as the largest automotive donor to Make-A-Wish and Meals on Wheels America. $1 donation per new purchase or lease. Submit charity selection by January 12, 2024. Promotion ends January 2nd, 2024. See Subaru.com for more details.